Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliott Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be my Elliot account for the S&P 500, or the update video. But first of all, any views or opinions or suggestions that I express in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started here. So I have obviously two scenarios that I am play. I have shown these sort of scenarios previously in my previous videos, and let's just get started straight away. So the sort of bullish interpretation for this pair is what we have currently here is a 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal that gives us our wave A. Then we have a WXY, which is our connector, and that gives us our wave B. And then we have a simple 1 2 3 4 and a 5 into our wave C, an A B C, or a zigzag corrective structure. And what we are currently in is this sort of 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive move to then eventually come back down, go up here, then correct to the downside, then continue going up to the upside. And this C wave, or this ABC wave, was basically the fourth wave of the fifth wave, if you know what I mean, in my first previous S&P video. And this could be the start, or this is the start of the sort of S&P 500 heading towards the upside. Um, However, we have a bullish, that's the bullish obviously scenario, and the bearish scenario is essentially where um, it actually becomes more of an ABC corrective structure like this, and where we have this as an this is supposed to be a 1 2 3 4 5. This could potentially be an A, B, and a C, and then this could eventually be a flat correction right here. Or if people know what this is, it's an expanded flat where we have the market moving like this, and once the sort of market reaches this level right here, or this high, will be the sort of determining point on whether we see some sort of impulsive move coming back down, taking out these lows and giving us a sort of flat correction here, or another big connector to connect this wave for another wave to come down. Or will it give us a corrective move to the downside in three waves, and then this as a 1 2 3 4 5 will be a leading diagonal, to then from here give us another three wave corrective structure, rejecting 50 to 61.8% of this entire wave, to then give us our wave 2 and then continue going to the upside. um, but yeah, this is gonna be a short quick video. That's that sort of S&P 500 update. I would say the bias is for now is in terms of the sort of short term, we are going to eventually see this market push to this side, this sort of level, and this level will be the determining factor on whether or not we get an impulsive move to the downside, which basically confirms that this will be a connector, or will this actually be a corrective move to the downside in three waves, and will actually be the start of the second wave before we get a third leg to completely, become even more bullish. And this basically ends this sort of ABC cycle, which gives us our wave 4 and the wave 5. So I hope you guys do like my video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have a Patreon for those people that are interested in the mentorship. The link will be in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys until the next one. Take care.